In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Logi Options constantly buffering on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is go onto Chrome or any sort of browser, go to logitech.com, and then once you're on this screen here, press software. Now you need to scroll down to this part here and press Options Plus. Now click here, download for macOS. Now you can scroll down to this bit here and you can install the patch. Just press here and it'll be in your downloads. So we're going to click that and double tap on the installer. Now open, and you need to put in your MacBook's password. So now we're in, we can go ahead and take our preferences.